What do you get in an RTR? Everything. Everything's ready. You get an RC completely built.
You know? It just works.
I really like it. I really like that this box can serve as a stand. Suspension. Oh, that's nice. So there is some body pins. Get into the battery box. It's not terrible. That's super easy. I like that it goes there and... Oh, well, that's impossible to do. Okay, pins back in. Some of this stuff, which is extremely useful, like the instruction manual for your remote or the instruction manual for the ESC powering your electronics, the little bag of spare parts and tools, you're probably not going to touch until you need to, and you will. So you're going to end up buying wheels and tires immediately. You're going to get some wheels and tires. You're going to want to go slower or faster, maybe you want to go faster. You're going to get an ESC. You're going to get some cool scale bits. You're going to want to get a servo. You're going to get, whatever they offer for your RTR. And all of a sudden, you're ready to run. Has gone under a full-on rebuild, which leads us to the second part of this video, which is the reason why I decided to make it in the first place. We have the Vanquish Products Optic kit. And it's all here. All of it. An RTR is simple. It's easy and it's convenient. It's ready to go. And there's nothing wrong with it. With a kit, well, a kit has to be assembled. Every part, every screw, it's all on you. Compared to an RTR, you get less stuff. It's not less, just less stuff. Is it a better value? I wouldn't say that. You need a bunch of other stuff. You need electronics. In this case, you need wheels and tires. You need the extra bits that will just kind of make this build go over the top and more yours. And anything else that might be required. Building a kit does give you something that an RTR just cannot offer. Because, well, there's a ton of these. But there will only be one of yours. You just have to put it together. Every part, every screw. So, let's build this kit. You need some tools, you need a transmitter and a receiver. I still don't know. What's better? An RTR or a kit? In the end, whether you pick a kit or an RTR, you're going to end up doing stuff. There's no wrong way to go. I think that the most important thing is it possible? Can you do it? Or not? There's no real way to know what is better. I think they offer both options because you're just going to want to have options like in anything else. You may want to finish a kit, build it, do, box art, or get an RTR, drive it once in a while, and put it on a shelf. I really like these things. So every chance I get to get one or build something, I do. It's all about possibilities, I think. Is it possible to get an RTR and just get going? Or is it more possible to get a kit, pack it with everything you like, and build a kit? What's possible for you? I don't know still. I have kits to build. I have RTRs to get. And I'm just excited because, well, they don't ever end up like you think they will. And I love that about the RC hobby. And sure, it can get expensive, but project car can get way more expensive and you will cry when it breaks. With these, you might have a laugh. Don't forget to go take a hike.